So guys, recently I have unboxed this Realme X2 Pro on the channel and you guys loved it. And as you know that it comes with Snapdragon 855 plus processor at the price range of 30,000, which is insane. But it has 90Hz display too. I am going to play this Call of Duty in this smartphone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the Call of Duty test of this Realme X2 Pro with battery drain as well as the temperature test. So let's begin. Before I start the video guys, you guys are demanding the benchmark, so I have did the benchmark. By the way, personally I don't think so the benchmark shows the complete picture, but still you guys are demanding it, so here it is. I have did the Geek Bench 5, and in the Geek Bench 5, as you see over here, the single core score is 658 and the multi-core score is 2090, and in Antutu it score 4,49,000, basically 4,50,000, which is insane. So yeah, the score is evident that it has a very good hardware. Talking about hardware, as you see over here, it has 6.5 inches Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, as well as it has 8GB of RAM, 128GB UFS 3.0 storage, and this one has Snapdragon 855 plus processor, which is just insane and very powerful. So today I am going to use this battery temperature called battery temperature to measure the battery temperature basically. And as you see over here, currently the battery is on 100%. So yeah, let's open this Call of Duty and let's play it and let's see how it performs. By the way, it has a really awesome speaker. The main speaker is over here, not the main speaker, the first speaker is over here, second the earpiece becomes the second speaker, and it is equally loud, and both are creating such an amazing sound space that the sound quality of this phone is just incredible. Wow, it looks fantastic. I want the sniper.
It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight harder.
Man, he killed me, huh?
Get down, sniper! We lost the lead. Targets in sight!
Okay. That guy is killing everyone, huh? What the hell?
We're losing this fight.
Whoa, man, they are on fire. Okay. Very, very badly defeated. Obviously. Yeah. Whatever, dude. Get the hell out of here. The gameplay was fantastic, by the way. But my gameplay was not. The phone was performing really, really good.
Front line. Taking the lead. Recon standing by. UAV recon is standing by. Killer drone on standby. Predator missile on standby.
Okay. I am done.
It's too close. Fight harder. Time for the lead. Taking the lead. It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead. We tied for the lead. We've taken the lead.
Okay, I'm dead. Close combat is not my preferred.
Reloading.
Okay, I'm dead. Well, we have quite a huge lead, I mean.
Keep on them. We're winning this one.
Yep.
Enemy in sight.
Okay, I'm dead. Again. What the hell are you, dude? Well done. The final kill was mine, that's great. And yeah, I won, finally. Well, yeah, we won. Yep. So as you saw the performance of the gameplay, guys, it was great, no doubt. We are getting such an amazing performance, no doubt. It is little bit warm though to touch, and as you see, the current battery temperature is 36 degrees Celsius and the battery is on 99%. Holy cow, that's great actually. I mean 99%, it's been like just 1% drop. That's great. Not bad at all. I mean, it is like it's on 36 degrees Celsius and 99%. Not bad. The performance was just fantastic in the Call of Duty, and in my next video I will play the PUBG, so stay tuned for that. So that's all in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, and hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very helpful for me and for them as well. So yeah, by the way, if you love my content, you can subscribe. You know, it's free. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to click the red subscribe button with that bell notification icon. Then next time when I upload new video, you will get the notification. Yup, you heard me right. So yeah, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.